Okay, the next song is a song that I wrote with actress Ruth Williamson called Mother Nature, and it was in a show called Mamas at Queen's Theater in the Park. And to sing it is Bistro Award winner Gretchen Ryan-Hagen. She ran down here straight from her show, Janis Joplin. Wait, Don't Tell Mama, right? That was something called? Yes. Hence the bees.
My name is Mother Nature, and I heartily know that if you know what's good for you, then you'll let nature take its place. But in spite of Mother's laws, I've now arrived at middle age, and I understand the need to turn that natural history's page. My landscape is decaying, no fruit left on the vine. And as for dear old gravity, she's no damn friend of mine. Mother Nature is considering a facelift. Father Time should be arrested for assault. But remember, in my case, that a wrinkle on this face is quite literally the San Andreas fault. But it really doesn't matter where the fault lies. The fact remains I've had a continental shift. And since Father Time has taken up jogging, Mother Nature very dearly needs a lift. Mother Nature needs a simple augmentation and a little liposuction here and there. But removal of my fat causes hillsides to fall flat and a sinkhole that's the size of Delaware. I should think a set of implants would be lovely and ideal for my 5 billion birthday gift. Since my purple mountain majesties are sagging, Mother Nature most profoundly needs a lift. All my beaches are eroding, my volcanoes are exploding, and my polar caps are melting from neglect. Both my flora and my fauna need a rundown and a sauna. My hot flashes cause the greenhouse effect. If at last I do attain some terra firma, there's a price to pay to keep it looking new. But with wild bikini wax, a rainforest gets the axe. God forbid a dermabrasion then would do. Every time I moisturize, I cause a deluge. When I ice my swollen eyes, you get my drift.